Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to see how to install Virtualbox. So Virtualbox is a very powerful tool that can be used for an enterprise level or for home use. So it is a product for virtualization where you can create virtual servers on a specific hardware, and it also comes under an open source software license, so anyone can use the general public license version of the VirtualBox. So the first thing to install VirtualBox, we have to download VirtualBox. We have to open Internet Explorer. Once we go to Internet Explorer, we will go ahead and open the link virtualbox.org. So it will take you to this page. So VirtualBox is available for almost all the operating systems, whether you are talking about Windows, whether you are talking about Linux or Mac OS. So it is available for all the OS versions. So we have to click on download VirtualBox 6.1. It will redirect to a page where you need to select which is the platform for which you want to download this software. So we will select this as Windows, and that will start the download. So you have to press save and it will start the downloading of the VirtualBox. So the software would be somewhere about some MBs, so it will take some time depending upon your internet connectivity. So our download is almost done, so let's wait. So the installation is done. We will open the folder. So it would be somewhere in your downloads folder. So if you see, the size is somewhere around 100 MB. So we have to just double click. And it will start the installer. Okay, so the installer is launched. I will minimize other pages. So we can see this is the setup wizard which will come. We will click next. So we have to make sure everything is selected. So that's fine, everything is selected. So you need to make sure that nothing is not selected, and we are good here. And it would be installed in this locations on your C drive, C program files, Oracle VirtualBox. Click next. So it will ask you for certain options. If you want, you can check these boxes. So I will suggest you should keep this as checked box. Click next, and then it will say okay, it is going to start the installation. So VirtualBox will even install a virtual adapter that would be used for your virtual machines. So that's why you are getting this warning. So that is fine. Click next. And yes, I want to begin the installation. So I will do install. And so it will ask you to make sure that you want to make some changes. So you have to press yes on that field, and then it will start the installation. So if you see, there is an icon that we can see on the screen that represents that okay, VirtualBox is getting installed, and this is the shortcut that we have to use to open any VirtualBox. So if you see, the installation is complete, so it hardly takes less than 5 minutes and we are all set. And that's it, and it will open up my VirtualBox. So this page that it opens up, it is called as the Virtualbox Manager, where all our virtual machines should be set up and we can manage those machines. So for this video, I will stop it here. In the coming videos, I will show how we can create virtual machines using this Virtualbox Manager. Thank you. Hope you liked this video. If you like, please do click on subscribe and press the bell icon for getting the latest notifications. Thank you.